shake kay Dakila. So, lapit lang po tayo ng konti kay Dakila, sir. Just grab his flipper and shake it just like that. Come on, Dakila. There you go. Now, sir, let's do it over here first. Okay, so this is how it works. Dakila will be giving Sir Raymond some tests to see if he qualifies to be an honorary member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. Now the basic rule is, whatever Dakila does, Sir Raymond, you have to do it as well, sir. Eh, sure, sir, kung ano yung gagawin ni Dakila ay gagawin mo rin. Yes, sir, gagawin natin si Dakila. Magalang ba kayo sa'yo, sir? Okay, so, where's Dakila up, sir? Okay, so he's doing warm-up, so why don't we do some warm-up as well, sir? Okay, so hands on the seat ka muna, sir. Okay. Oh, so Dakila will show us first, okay? Come on, Dakila. Where are you going? Okay, now, Dakila, are you ready? Not yet. Okay, now, Dakila, show us some warm-up. Come on. How about some massage? Flipper massage. Come on, Dakila, massage. Okay, other flipper officer. There is the spirit back massage. Alright, so now Dakila, tell us, are you ready? Yes, sir, he's ready. But I think you also need more warm-up, sir. Okay? Yes, sir, warm-up ka rin. Sir, not like that. Gagawin nga po natin si Dakila, sir, di ba? So, hands on the seat ka rin muna, sir. Yes, sir. Now, follow my hand, okay? Yes, sir. Come on. Ready? Now go! Okay, now stretch your arms naman, sir, for the massage. Okay, massage. Okay, then back massage. So now, Sir Raymond, are you ready? Yes, okay, mas Dakila is ready, Sir Raymond is ready. Let the game begin, round 1. Okay, sir, we're starting out easy on you, okay? For round 1, you have to turn just like that. And of course, there's more. You have to wiggle as well. Okay, see that, sir? For round 1, third, and wiggle lang yung gagawin natin, sir. Yes, sir. So, sir, sige na ulit, sir. Yes, sir, come on, Bishan. Let's go. Okay, now, Sir Raymond, now it's your turn. Hey, sir, what are you doing? Learning, I know, but you have to do it in a sea lion style, sir. So, hands on the floor ka din po. Yes, sir, come on, down ka din. There you go. Now, turn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.